Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows Explorer has stopped working. So guys, to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Click on start and type this percentage sign, temp percentage sign. Open this folder. Now select all files and delete. Some file will be not able to delete, so skip them. Now close it and restart. After restart, click on this search icon and type cmd. Right click on command prompt, run as administrator. Guys, it will ask permissions, so click on yes. Now type here this command line sfc space slash scan now. Then press enter. Now guys, it will take some couple of minutes, so complete this process and after guys restart your PC. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps, we can fix Windows Explorer has stopped working. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.